Indian economic growth is very strong and improving gradually. Indian economy is becoming strong and its strength is improving. The Indian economic growth is supported by service by demand. The service sector growth is 6 months high with strong domestic demand and improved export orders push. Means the Indian service providers are able to attract the confidence, win the confidence of not domestic consumers as well as the global consumers, so that the Indian exporters are able to get the orders from the global consumers. Indian growth is supported by healthy demand, client wins, and improvements in new business markets. So this is the success story of Indian economic growth and Indian economic development. One of the indication is India's services production PMI signaled an expansion in business activity supported by a continued rise in the new business activities. Means existing commercial activities are increasing as well as the new markets are also being, new lines of business is also emerged. External demand for India provided services also grew at a faster pace and rebounding. The Indian services demand is increasing not only from domestic consumer but also global consumers. Means the services quality, delivery and price are able to attract the global consumers. This is one of the success for Indian service providers. Also the manufacturing activity improved with the manufacturing business activity accelerates. So services PMI rose to 60%, driven by stronger domestic and global demand. There is a rise in job creation, PMI rising to 55 in May from 54.7 in the April. Manufacturing and service activity together increased to 60% from 58%, driven by a rise in new orders and sales. Services firms remained optimistic, citing favorable demand conditions, which in turn are expected to support the output. Demand for services from Indian service firms is also remained optimistic and favorable to the service providers. Export orders also rise, although at a slower pace than the average recorded. Firms cited the service and other export firms cited gains from the advanced economies like Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Malaysia, UAE, and the United Kingdom. Input prices across the service sector continue to rise at an above high, due to disturbance in West Asia. This is increasing the higher spending on food, fuel, gas, labor, and materials. This is become a reason for increasing inflation. Input cost inflation eased, which in turn reduced pressure on selling prices. Demand for Indian services improved despite another increase in selling prices. Because of increase in input prices, the service providers are increasing their selling price. Even then, they are able to get the orders not only for domestic consumers, but also global consumers. Inflation eased to a low and broadly aligned with its long-run average. Firms that raised fees, only 5% of the panelists attributed to the increase the pass-through of higher operating costs. Means many service provider firms have increased their selling price by 5 to 10%. Even then, they are able to win the orders from domestic as well as global consumers. Because of increased economic activity, economic growth, employment growth remained strong, recording to the second fastest pace in nearly a year after. Consumer services emerged the strongest performer in the market. Growth in both output and new business outpaced the other sectors, while the segment also recorded the strongest increases in input costs and output charges. Even increase in prices due to inflation, the selling price, even after increase of selling price, the growth in both output and new business outpaced the other sectors, while the consumer service segment also recorded the strongest increase in input costs and output charges by transferring the increased cost to the purchasers. Means these uh, consumer services providers companies are increasing their charges by 5 to 10% to pass on the increasing cost of inputs and inputs and other service charges to collect from the consumers. So this is the one of the success story of Indian economic activity with growth and strength, growth, strength, and fast. But all these three characteristics are visible in Indian economic strength. This is possible because of the uh, clear, stable government, clear policies, facilitating administration, also the support of the local population. The most important is local people, local administration support is most important for uplifting the economic activity in that area. Maybe the local authority, people, the state government, all their support will increase the economic activity in that area.